Hello, everyone. Welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. We are very happy to see you again today.
Thank you for learning English with us. We are here to help you step by step.
Yes, step by step is very important. Learning English should feel easy and fun.
Today, we have a new and interesting lesson. This lesson is about talking about your country.
This is a very useful topic. You can use it when you meet new people.
When people meet for the first time, they often ask simple questions.
For example, where are you from?
Or they ask, tell me about your country.
Today, we will help you answer these questions. We will use easy English.
Do not worry if you are a beginner. This lesson is slow and clear.
Please relax. Please listen carefully.
You can repeat after us. You can pause and listen again.
Now let's begin our lesson together.
When you talk about your country, you can talk about many things.
You can talk about the weather. You can talk about food.
You can also talk about people. You can talk about cities and nature.
Today, we will focus on 5 easy ideas.
These ideas are famous for landscape, landmark, tradition, and population.
These words help you describe your country. They are very common in English.
We will learn these words slowly. We will hear them many times.
First, let's listen to a conversation. 2 people are talking about their countries.
Before we listen, let's get ready. This conversation is easy and slow.
You do not need to understand every word. Just listen to the voices and ideas.
You will hear simple questions. You will hear simple answers.
Listen for words about places. Listen for words about nature and people.
You can listen again later. Now, let's listen together. Please just listen. Do not worry about understanding everything. Hello, Yuki. How are you today?
Hello, Aiden. I am good, thank you.
I have a question for you. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. Dr. Fu, you can ask me.
Tell me about Japan. I want to learn more about your country.
Okay, Japan is a beautiful country. We have old traditions. We also have modern cities.
That sounds interesting. What is the landscape like?
The landscape is very beautiful. We have many mountains. We also have a long coast. People like the sea. Japan is famous for Mount Fuji.
Oh, I know Mount Fuji. I see many pictures of it. It is a famous landmark.
Yes, it is. Many people visit it every year. What about your country, Aiden? You are from Canada, right?
Yes, that is right. Canada is a very big country.
Is the population big?
The population is not very big. Canada has a lot of space. We have many forests and lakes.
What is Canada famous for?
Canada is famous for mountains. We are also famous for maple syrup.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it is very sweet.
Is the weather cold all the time?
Actually, no. Summers can be hot. Winters are very cold and snowy.
I see. In Japan, we have 4 seasons. People love spring. We see cherry blossoms.
That is a beautiful tradition.
Yes, it is very special for us.
Thank you for telling me about Japan.
You're welcome. I want to hear more about Canada next time.
That was a nice conversation. It was slow and clear.
Yes, Aiden and Yuki used easy English.
Good job listening. That was the first conversation. They talked about their countries. They used new words.
Aiden and Yuki talked slowly. They used very clear English.
They talked about their countries. They talked about nature and weather.
Now, let's learn these words together.
We will learn one word at a time.
Did you hear the new words? Famous for landscape and landmark.
These words help you talk about places. You can use them for any country.
Maybe you thought about your country. That is very good.
You do not need long sentences. Short sentences are okay.
For example, you can say, my country is big.
Or you can say, my country has mountains.
English is about sharing ideas, not about being perfect. Many students worry about mistakes. They think mistakes are bad.
But mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn.
When you speak, try your best. That is enough.
If you stop speaking, you stop learning. So please keep speaking.
English is a tool. You use it to talk to people.
You do not need long words. Easy words are good.
When you use simple English, people understand you more easily.
That is why this lesson is slow. We want you to feel comfortable.
Now let's continue together. Many learners feel shy when they speak. That is very normal.
Yes, everyone feels shy sometimes. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Making mistakes is part of learning. Mistakes help you learn faster.
You do not need perfect grammar. You only need to share your idea.
Simple English is powerful. Short sentences are clear.
If people understand you, that is success. Communication is the goal.
Now let's keep listening and learning together.
Before we continue, let's practice thinking in English.
Close your eyes for a moment. Think about your country.
Where are you from? Say it in your head.
You can say, I am from my country.
Now think about one thing. What is your country famous for?
Maybe food. Maybe nature.
Good job. Thinking in English is practice too.
Now let's move on. Aiden and Yuki talked slowly. They used very clear English.
They talked about their countries. They talked about nature and weather.
Did you hear the new words? Famous for landscape and landmark.
These words help you talk about places. You can use them for any country.
Maybe you thought about your country? That is very good.
You do not need long sentences. Short sentences are okay.
For example, you can say, my country is big.
Or you can say, my country has mountains.
English is about sharing ideas, not about being perfect. I want to tell you a story. It is about when I visited my country.
Oh, a story. That will be fun.
Yes, it was last year. I traveled to the north of my country. I wanted to see the mountains and rivers. I love the landscape in the north.
Did you go alone?
No, I went with my friend Anna. She is very curious about everything.
That is nice.
First, we visited a famous landmark. It is an old castle. Many people know it. It is very big and beautiful.
That sounds amazing.
I took many photos of the landmark. The walls were tall. The doors were very old. You could see the mountains behind it.
Wow, that must have been a beautiful view.
Yes, the landscape was very green. Rivers were clear and blue. The sun was shining. I felt very happy.
Did you meet people there?
Yes, many tourists were there. Some were from other countries. They were taking photos too. Everyone liked the castle.
That is a good example of famous for.
Exactly. The castle is famous for its history. People come from far away to see it.
Did you see any traditions?
Yes, we were lucky. There was a festival that day. People were dancing and singing. They wore traditional clothes.
That is wonderful.
The tradition is very old. People have done it for many years. I learned a lot about my country.
And what about population?
The village is small. The population is only about 2,000 people. It is quiet and peaceful.
That is different from a city.
Yes, I live in a big city. The city has millions of people. But in the village, life is slow. It is very relaxing.
Did you eat local food too?
Of course. I tried cheese, bread, and honey. The food is famous for its quality.
Sounds delicious.
Yes, I want to go there again. The mountains, the rivers, the landmark, the festival, everything was special.
That is a great story.
I hope you can imagine it. Maybe you can tell a story about your country too.
Stories are fun. They help you remember new words.
Yes, I used famous for, landscape, landmark, tradition, and population many times. You can do the same with your sentences.
That is a very good tip.
I want to ask you something. Can you think about your country now?
Yes, take a moment. Think quietly.
What is your country famous for? Is it food, nature, or music?
What does the landscape look like? Are there mountains or rivers?
Think about one landmark. It can be a building or a place.
Do you have a tradition you like? Maybe a festival or holiday?
Is the population big or small? You do not need numbers.
Just say big or small. That is enough.
You can practice alone, or you can practice with a friend.
Practice makes you confident. Confidence comes step by step.
When you travel or read a story, try to listen for these words. It makes learning English easier.
Great. Now let's move on to learning each word. Now we will learn the words, one word at a time.
Please listen carefully and repeat if you want.
Let's start with the first word. This word is very common.
You hear this word in daily life. People use it when talking about places.
This word helps you explain something special. It tells people why a place is popular.
You can use it for countries. You can use it for cities too.
The word is easy to remember. You can use it in many sentences.
Let's listen to the word together. Please listen and repeat.
Famous for,
Famous for,
when many people know something.
Example 1.
France is famous for cheese.
Example 2.
My city is famous for old buildings.
Example 3.
What is your country famous for?
this phrase is very useful. You can use it every day.
You can say, my country is famous for food.
Or you can say, my town is famous for music. It means something is special. People talk about it a lot.
Listen carefully. Very easy. Very helpful. Now you understand famous for. That was very easy.
Let's move to the next word. This word is about nature.
When you look around a place, you see land and water.
You see mountains, trees, and rivers. All of these together have one name.
This word helps you describe what you see. Let's learn it slowly.
Please listen carefully again.
Landscape.
Landscape.
Landscape means the land you see.
Example 1.
The landscape has many mountains.
Example 2.
I like the green landscape.
Example 3.
The landscape is very beautiful.
Mountains, rivers, forests, and fields.
It is about nature and land.
You can use this word when you talk about nature.
You can say, the landscape is flat.
Or, the landscape is full of trees. Landscape is a very useful word. You can use it when you travel.
You can use it in pictures too. You can talk about photos.
Every country has a different landscape. Some are flat, some are hilly.
Now let's listen again to the conversation. This time it is slow.
Hello, Yuki. How are you today?
Hello, Aiden. I am good, thank you.
I have a question for you. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. Dr. Fu, you can ask me.
Tell me about Japan. I want to learn more about your country.
Okay, Japan is a beautiful country. We have old traditions. We also have modern cities.
That sounds interesting. What is the landscape like?
The landscape is very beautiful. We have many mountains. We also have a long coast. People like the sea. Japan is famous for Mount Fuji.
Oh, I know Mount Fuji. I see many pictures of it. It is a famous landmark.
Yes, it is. Many people visit it every year. What about your country, Aiden? You are from Canada, right?
Yes, that is right. Canada is a very big country.
Is the population big?
The population is not very big. Canada has a lot of space. We have many forests and lakes.
What is Canada famous for?
Canada is famous for mountains. We are also famous for maple syrup.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it is very sweet.
Is the weather cold all the time?
Actually, no. Summers can be hot. Winters are very cold and snowy.
I see. In Japan, we have 4 seasons. People love spring. We see cherry blossoms.
That is a beautiful tradition.
Yes, it is very special for us.
Thank you for telling me about Japan.
You're welcome. I want to hear more about Canada next time.
That was the conversation again. This time it was slower.
Did you understand more this time? That is normal and good.
Listening many times helps a lot. Your ears learn English sounds.
You heard the same words again. Famous foreign landscape.
Repetition is very important. Beginners need repetition.
You can listen again at home. You can pause and repeat.
Now we will learn another word. This word is about places you see.
These places are easy to remember. Many people visit them.
Let's learn the next word together. Landmark.
Landmark.
People can see it easily.
Example 1.
The Eiffel Tower is a landmark.
Example 2.
This bridge is a city landmark.
Example 3.
People take photos of landmarks.
A landmark is a famous place.
Tourists like landmarks.
Landmarks help people know a place.
They are easy to remember.
Landmarks are very interesting. Every country has landmarks.
They help people know where they are. They help people feel excited.
When you travel, you look for landmarks.
You take photos of landmarks. You share them with friends.
Now, let's learn another word. This word is about people and culture.
It is about history and habits. Families and countries share this word.
Let's listen carefully. Tradition.
Tradition.
A tradition is something people do.
Families and countries have traditions.
Example 1.
Eating special food is a tradition.
Example 2.
This festival is a tradition.
Example 3.
My family has a holiday tradition.
Again and again for many years. Traditions are important. They show culture.
They help people feel connected.
Traditions are very special. They tell stories about people.
They come from the past. They continue today.
Every country has traditions. Every family has traditions.
Now we will listen again. This time it is natural speed.
Please focus and listen. Now, let's listen again. This time, listen very carefully. Hello, Yuki. How are you today?
Hello, Aiden. I am good, thank you.
I have a question for you. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. Dr. Fu, you can ask me.
Tell me about Japan. I want to learn more about your country.
Okay, Japan is a beautiful country. We have old traditions. We also have modern cities.
That sounds interesting. What is the landscape like?
The landscape is very beautiful. We have many mountains. We also have a long coast. People like the sea. Japan is famous for Mount Fuji.
Oh, I know Mount Fuji. I see many pictures of it. It is a famous landmark.
Yes, it is. Many people visit it every year. What about your country, Aiden? You are from Canada, right?
Yes, that is right. Canada is a very big country.
Is the population big?
The population is not very big. Canada has a lot of space. We have many forests and lakes.
What is Canada famous for?
Canada is famous for mountains. We are also famous for maple syrup.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it is very sweet.
Is the weather cold all the time?
Actually, no. Summers can be hot. Winters are very cold and snowy.
I see. In Japan, we have 4 seasons. People love spring. We see cherry blossoms.
That is a beautiful tradition.
Yes, it is very special for us.
Thank you for telling me about Japan.
You're welcome. I want to hear more about Canada next time.
Great listening. That was natural speed.
It was faster than before. That is normal English speed.
Do not worry if it is hard. This takes time.
You understood more than before. That means you are learning.
Now we will learn the last word. This word is about people.
It helps us talk about numbers. People numbers.
Let's learn it together. Population.
Population. It tells us how many people live there.
Example 1.
The population is very big.
Example 2.
This town has a small population.
Example 3.
The population is growing every year.
Population means the number of people. This word helps when you compare places.
Big population or small population.
Population is an important word. Countries have big or small populations.
Cities have populations too. Even towns and villages.
Now you know all 5 words. You can describe your country.
Let's prepare for the review.
Now it is time to review. Review helps memory.
We will use all the words. Listen carefully.
Think about your own country. You can practice later.
Short sentences are best. Simple English is strong English.
Let's listen to the examples. I will tell you about my country. My country is famous for food. The landscape has mountains and rivers. We have many landmarks.
My country has old traditions. The population is medium-sized.
You can talk like this too.
You did a great job today. You learned many new words.
You learned how to talk about countries. This is very useful English.
Practice speaking every day. Even one sentence is good.
English grows step by step. Do not stop. Remember, learning English takes time. Be kind to yourself.
Listen every day if you can. Even 5 minutes is good.
Speak out loud. Your voice is important.
Do not be afraid to try. English is for everyone.
We are happy you are here. Keep learning with us.
Remember, learning English is a journey. You learn step by step.
Some days are easy. Some days are hard.
Both days are okay. Just do not give up.
Speak a little every day. Listen a little every day.
English will become more natural. Little by little.
We believe in you. You can do it.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Use short sentences. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Simple English is good English.